Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Dashi Chazuke, steamed rice with seasoned dashi broth and toppings. You may be familiar with ochazuke, which is hot tea and rice. Dashi Chazuke is just as easy to make and very flavorful. The main ingredients are steamed rice and dashi broth, and these are the toppings we use today. You can use anything you like, such as grilled fish, tsukemono pickled vegetable, and kombu tsukudani. For more information, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. Today we are using an aji himono, which is already salted. Just heat up both sides on a frying pan. You can find semi-dried fish like this at Japanese market. You can even use some leftover grilled salmon or even sashimi. Chop the green onion and grate fresh ginger. Next, we are going to make dashi. Today we are making katsuo dashi, but you can use kombu or ichiban dashi, or even an instant dashi packet to make it easy. Season with salt, soy sauce, sake, and mirin. And keep it hot. We serve steamed rice in a bowl and add the toppings. For this one, we'll top with nori seaweed and umeboshi pickled sour plum and sesame seeds. On the other one, top with grilled mackerel, chopped green onion, and grated ginger. Pour the dashi soup over and serve immediately. Dashi Chazuke is a very good light meal or snack, and it is quite satisfying for what it is. We hope you give this a try.